Hello, my name is James Kimber. I'm a physician assistant and founder of PA Shadow Online. This is a website designed for students who are looking for physician assistants to shadow. This video is a brief tutorial designed to go over the physician assistant side of the website. If this is your first time visiting, just come down here to the bottom and click on register here. You're taken to the registration website where you can select physician assistant sign up. Once you've completed the registration, you'll be taken back to the home page where you can go ahead and enter in the information you supplied for registration. Go ahead and select log on and you'll be taken to your own new calendar. Your name as well as your specialty will appear up here in the left hand corner. Underneath it is some information that you can put in or not put in. I'll show you that in just a minute. I've actually put in my practice information so that the students, when they see my calendar, they'll know where the location is, and I don't actually have to send that information to the students since it's provided right here on the website. Additionally, I put down proper attire so the students know what they should be wearing when they show up for their shadow date. So if this is your first time, what I recommend is go to the settings tab, which is right here. Click on that, and here you can set up your calendar for a little more personalization. You can change the hours that your clinic is open. Right here, the student instructions, this is the information that you'll put in that'll appear below your name in the upper left-hand corner. Again, as I said, I put in my practice information, but you can put whatever you'd like in here, or you can just leave it blank if you'd like. Whatever information you provide in this box will actually be emailed to the student when they sign up for a shadow date. So if you do put in the address, then you don't have to contact the student yourself because they'll get it. Below it, this comes checked as a default. This says that the students cannot email you, but if you uncheck this box, the students will be able to email you once they're at your calendar. Again, this is up to you. You can choose whether or not to let the students email you. Availability schedule, this is just to block off dates on your calendar that your office is either closed or unavailable. And then the last thing, the student sign up maximum. You can set this to either unlimited or select how many times you would like to allow a particular student to sign up for a shadow date each month. Just a note, when I first started doing this, I actually had multiple shadow dates up, and I had one student sign up for every date, and I had to go back and ask them to delete some of the reservations to allow other students. So this actually allows you to control how many times a student can sign up per month. So we'll go ahead and select one, and then after you've made all your changes, you just select Update Settings, and you're finished. Now you can go back to one of the other views to start adding in dates. I'll go ahead and select the week view. Up here in the right hand is a small calendar and shows again the red. These are the dates that I've blocked off. I'm not available, or my office is not open on those dates. The darker areas, I'm sorry, these darker dates, these are dates that I've actually have scheduled shadow appointments. So here's a clinic date and a surgery date. You can adjust the colors if you'd like. I did that just so that students who were looking at my calendar, they were able to see by the color which dates were surgery, because a lot of them wanted to just sign up for surgery, and then the blue was for clinic. But of course you can choose whichever color you'd like, or make it all the same color. To make a new shadow date, just click on the time slot you want to start. So in this case, let's say it's 9:30 a.m. We'll click on it. You can adjust the times here earlier or later. And let's go with 2 o'clock as the end. And let's make this, for the title, you just put in something, whatever you'd like. I typically put in clinic for clinic observation. Description you can leave blank, or again, type in something brief for the student to know what's going to be happening that day. Here's where you can change your color. I like blue for, if I can find it, blue for the clinic date. So I hit create slot, and then the new date appears. Okay. Now these two dates, they show that there's one slot or one reservation available and 0 that no one has signed up as of yet. In this box, in this shadow date, we can see there's one slot and one person has signed up. So if we click on that slot, it'll show the information. In this case, it's me, but there's my email address, and you can just use the PA, can just click directly on the email, and you'll be able to contact that student directly. Again, if you wish to send them your practice information, other things they need to know before showing up, you have that ability if you don't wish to have it displayed under your name. You can also delete the reservation. Let's say for whatever reason that student, you wanted to delete their reservation, you can check the student's name and just delete it right here. Or if you're just going to delete the entire reservation or that slot, you just select Edit Slot and then Delete Slot, and it will, this will delete it permanently, and if you click OK, then it disappears. If you do that, the student will receive an email letting them know that the slot was canceled for unforeseen reasons and for them to check back for future shadow dates. Once you've finished adding your shadow dates to your calendar, and you can go as far forward as you want. This is July. You can just keep going forward as far forward as you want. Once you are done though, and you've put in all the shadow dates that you want to, you can click this tab, Send Notifications. The student has the ability to get updates when a PA has updated or added new shadow dates. If you watch the student tutorial video, you can see how that happens. But once you have done that, go ahead and select Send Notifications, and this way all the students that have signed up to watch your calendar will get an email letting them know that there are new shadow dates available, and then they can sign up for them. And that's it. You can always edit your profile. If you wanted to change your specialty, or if you've moved your practice, you can edit your zip code. There's a small help page which answers pretty much everything we've discussed in this video. And that's all. I hope this works for you, and I wish you good luck. I'd appreciate it if you would just pass this along to other PAs that you know as well. And please send me any questions if you have any, or suggestions to the website. There is a contact down here at the bottom. And we are on Facebook, so please go ahead and like us, as that's where we plan to post updates regarding the site and its usage. So thanks again for helping out, and hope to see you on here.